Unleashing opportunities, the top 3 platforms to earn money effortlessly. In a world where the digital landscape constantly evolves, opportunities to earn money online have become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or considering a full-fledged online venture, the internet is brimming with platforms waiting to unleash your earning potential. Buckle up as we explore the top 3 platforms that not only offer monetary gains, but also promise excitement and fulfillment. From freelance gigs to passive income streams, these platforms cater to various skill sets and preferences. Get ready to embark on a journey where financial independence meets the digital age. Freelance marvel. Upwork. Are you a skilled writer, graphic designer, programmer, or possess any other marketable skill? Upwork is your golden ticket to turning your expertise into cold, hard cash. With millions of clients seeking freelancers, Upwork is a bustling marketplace where talents meet opportunities. On Upwork, you can find a myriad of jobs ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. The platform allows you to set your rates, giving you the flexibility to charge what your skills are truly worth. You can take on short-term projects or engage in long-term collaborations, depending on your preferences and availability. Moreover, Upwork employs a secure payment system that ensures freelancers get compensated for their hard work. The platform's milestone system allows for project-based payments, providing reassurance to both freelancers and clients. This feature ensures that freelancers receive compensation as they make progress on a project, mitigating the risk of unpaid work. The beauty of Upwork lies in its user-friendly interface, allowing freelancers to create profiles showcasing their skills, work history, and client testimonials. This transparency helps clients make informed decisions when hiring, fostering trust between freelancers and those seeking their services. Upwork's rating and review system enables freelancers to build a positive reputation, attracting more clients and high-paying opportunities. The platform also provides skill tests, allowing freelancers to showcase their proficiency in specific areas and stand out among the competition. With Upwork, your journey into freelancing is not just about earning money, it's about building a sustainable and fulfilling career. Cashflow Kingdom. YouTube. Ever dreamed of becoming a content creator and earning money from your passions? YouTube is not just a platform for cat videos, it's a lucrative space where creators build empires. The process of making money on YouTube is multifaceted, offering creators various streams of income. First and foremost, YouTube's partner program allows eligible creators to earn money through ad revenue. As your channel grows and accumulates more views and subscribers, the potential for ad revenue increases. However, it's essential to create engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Beyond ad revenue, many successful YouTubers leverage sponsorships and brand deals. Companies are eager to collaborate with creators who have a dedicated and engaged audience. These partnerships can be lucrative, providing additional income and opportunities for creators to promote products or services they genuinely believe in. Moreover, the YouTube platform enables creators to sell merchandise directly to their audience. From branded apparel to custom products, creators can turn their online presence into a thriving business. The key lies in understanding your audience and offering products that resonate with them. Consistency is the heartbeat of a successful YouTube channel. Regular uploads, engaging content, and community interaction are essential elements for growth. As you build a community around your content, you open doors to additional revenue streams, such as channel memberships and super chats during live streams. Remember, YouTube's success is not overnight. It requires dedication, creativity, and a genuine connection with your audience. Those who persevere and stay true to their passions can turn their YouTube channels into not only a source of income, but also a platform for self-expression and impact. Investing simplicity. Robinhood. For those with a keen eye on the stock market, but intimidated by complex trading platforms, Robinhood is the financial superhero you've been waiting for. This user-friendly investment app has revolutionized the stock trading game, making it accessible to beginners and experienced investors alike. Robinhood's commission-free trades are a game-changer, eliminating a significant barrier to entry for many aspiring investors. Whether you're interested in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, Robinhood allows you to invest with ease. The intuitive design of the app simplifies the process, ensuring that even those new to the world of investing can navigate it effortlessly. Educational resources within the app provide valuable insights for users looking to expand their financial literacy. From articles explaining market trends to tutorials on fundamental analysis, Robinhood empowers users to make informed decisions about their investments. The app also offers features like fractional shares, enabling investors to buy a portion of a high-priced stock, making diversified portfolios more accessible. Moreover, Robinhood's user interface provides real-time market data and customizable watch lists, giving users the tools they need to track their investments. The platform's straightforward approach appeals to those who want to invest without the complexities of traditional brokerage platforms. While investing always carries risks, Robinhood's user-friendly design and commitment to financial education make it an attractive option for those entering the world of stock trading. As with any investment platform, it's crucial to conduct research, stay informed, and invest responsibly. Diversifying income streams, affiliate marketing. Beyond the top 3 platforms mentioned, exploring affiliate marketing is another avenue to diversify your income streams. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Numerous affiliate programs cater to a wide range of niches, allowing you to choose products or services that align with your interests and expertise. Conclusion: as we wrap up this exploration of the top 3 platforms to earn money, remember that success in the online realm requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support fuels our drive to bring you valuable information and exciting opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and may your ventures into the digital landscape be filled with prosperity and fulfillment. Happy earning. JudifMarketing.com, the anti-9-to-5 income plan. How I quit my job and retired decades early.